Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of investing and exploring the psychology of money. Did you know that emotions can heavily influence our investment decisions? It's true. Now, let's talk about the psychology of money and how it impacts the choices we make when it comes to investing. Our emotions play a significant role in how we handle our finances and make investment decisions. One common challenge that many investors face is succumbing to behavioral biases that can lead them astray. Loss aversion, where we fear losing more than we enjoy gaining, and herd mentality, where we follow the crowd without thinking, are just a few examples of these biases. So, why do we fall into these traps? It's because our brains take cognitive shortcuts and are triggered by emotions when making financial decisions. These biases can cloud our judgment and affect our investment strategies. But here's the key moment. By understanding and managing these psychological tendencies, we can improve our investing outcomes. Being aware of our biases and emotions allows us to make more rational and informed decisions when it comes to our money. In conclusion, it's crucial to recognize and acknowledge our behavioral patterns when it comes to finances. By doing so, we can take control of our investment decisions and work towards achieving our financial goals. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to explore more videos on financial literacy and share your own experiences with investing in the comments section below. Remember, the more we learn and share, the better we can become at managing our money effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content on investing and personal finance. See you in the next video.